Bombardier 14 Tower, did you get what you need or would you like another pass?
No, we got what we need, and joining the right hand, downwind runway 26, full stop.
Bombardier 14 Tower, roger, number 1 for runway 26, report turning final.
We'll call turning final, Bombardier 14.
It's the quietest jet I've ever heard.
Bombardier 14's final, runway 26, full stop.
Bombardier 14 Tower, roger, wind 240 at 5 knots, clear to land, runway 26.
Clear to land, runway 26, Bombardier 14.
Boiler Tower, this is the Piper Seminole Golf Oscar Lima Papa with whiskey.
Golf Oscar Lima Papa, Boiler Tower, squawk connect to your altitude and request.
Golf Oscar Lima Papa at 3,000 inbound, full stop.
Oscar Lima Papa Tower, roger, runway 26, altimeter's 2960, cleared right downwind, not below 2,600, identified.
Clear right down runway 26, Oscar Lima Papa.
Golf Papa Kilo India, Boiler Tower.
Papa Kilo India.
Papa Kilo India Tower, I'm not sure what you're doing there. Did you still want to come in for 26?
Papa Kilo India, we just gave some spacing for the jet.
Papa Kilo India Tower, roger. Okay, so you're going to turn back on now for the right base for runway 26?
Papa Kilo India. Affirmative.
Bombardier 14 Tower, you can exit Charlie at the end, taxi and contact ground, sorry, 121 decimally.
Right on Charlie at the end and ground 21.8, Bombardier 14. Thanks for your help today.
Bombardier 14 ground, yeah, no problem, and I ran the checkup over there while you guys were on final, so this will be there for you when you go into the ramp.
Okay, thank you. And Papa Kilo India, can we turn final?
Papa Kilo India Tower, your original instruction was to follow the business jet, so yeah, you can turn final.
Papa Kilo India, thank you. Ground, Bombardier 14 is with you on Charlie for Charlie.
Bombardier 14, Waterloo Ground, taxi Charlie to Chartwright. Looks like you have a party waiting for you.
That it does, Bombardier 14, thanks.
Tower 72, yeah, they do. They're going to have the water cannons and everything.